Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is March 25th and the chart of the day for today is USD Yen 45 minutes time frame here. So we can see the pair is currently rallying in the form of a WXY or a double zigzag. Currently within the Y leg, and within the Y leg it subdivides into a zigzag ABC. Now is finishing up with A as a 5 waves. From there we can get the risk pullback to correct this with a rally here before higher again to finish the C, and that C in the minor degree is going to finish Y in the blue in the intermediate degree. Okay, so if I zoom out on the 4 hour, now first of all let's take a look at a couple of things here. When you look at the daily, first of all, to be honest, it's not really trending, it's sideways. So because it is sideways, it's kind of difficult to know exactly what the next path is going to be, but I will let you know and explain the logic behind what could possibly happen. Okay, so this is the daily, which is kind of sideways, right? If I downgrade to the 4 hour, all right, now let's fill in let's fill in the some of the labels here, and we can copy from the 45 minutes this W and X here. That's this one over here, right? So we're looking for the rally WXY here in the 45 minutes time frame, and in the 4 hour that's basically the rally. Now even though the daily is sideways like I show you guys, but if you look at the 4 hour, you can see this rally, it looks corrective here, this one. So here it looks to me that it is a 3-way rally. So you can see ABC here, this is A, this is B, and that's your C, right? 1 2 3 4 5 C, ending W. So if you project the extension of the ABC from the lows, you see how it touched perfect 100% without any extension whatsoever and starts to sell off immediately, even though the sell-off fails to take out the low. But the fact that this is 3 ways 100% and sell off, it suggests that the market still most likely is not bullish because of the 3 waves nature and selling off perfectly after 100% without extension at all to the 1.618 or something like that, which usually typically indicates with 3 when it extends to 1.618. But here it does kind of suggest the market is not bullish, and most likely it's going to break below this low again at some point, 146. But now looking for a double zigzag, so we should be looking for A to finish and a B and a C like this before we finish the Y, and then potentially from here we can go to new low, or at least yet another big 3-way pullback that failed to take out the low and rally again in a much bigger WXY from the low. So that's also possible, a much bigger WXY. But the fact that this leg here at least is 3-way suggests that probability wise is more likely we're gonna break below the low again, and in the shorter cycle then we can see a bit more upside to finish this WXY, and that's potential area 150, 170, 154, which is based on the WXY here, the extension here, right? And again from here there's a potential to either go to new low or at least a 3-way pullback at least to correct this entire rally. What will be the alternate? Well, the alternate is less likely, but the alternate is a NES 1 2 1 2. So if that's the case, then we are in the wave 3 of 3 to go to the upside. Now why would I say it's less likely to be a NES? Because if we look at the momentum, which I'm going to use the RSI, you can see from the momentum perspective, this rally here is this rally here. You can see it breaks the trend line, typically indicates the cycle is different already. It's not wave 4, or I mean, when the cycle is different, it breaks the trend line. So what I'm saying is this belongs to the same cycle, and this belongs to another cycle. So because this belongs to the same cycle and finish, then calling this 1212 is less likely. And you can also see how this pullback here, it's very strong in the momentum. It breaks below the momentum of this, so that's usually suggests that this is not like. Think about it this way: you wouldn't try to label this 1212 if this is the price action, right? You cannot possibly call this 12 and then another 12 here, since this one actually breaks below here, so it doesn't make sense. Call it 1212 a nest, and therefore I think it's less likely to be 1212, but that will be the alternate count. The primary count looking for current rally 7 swing to fail, and then either we go to new low or we do a bigger thresh pullback. Okay, but shorter cycle though, we can see a bit more upside to finish this Y leg before we turn lower. Again, like I said, the potential target therefore is going to be this area here, which is between 150, 180 and 154. Alright, so that's the update here, guys, for today. As always, if you do want to get further updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. We are also running a spring promotion as well. So you can also take advantage of that promotion to subscribe to our service. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.